Good morning. The Indian markets on Tuesday ended on the lower side, with Sensex down by almost 60 points, ending at 20,547, and Nifty with 23 points, ending at 6,089. Looking at the big picture, the US default was averted as the lawmakers vote for increasing the debt ceiling. The World Bank lowers India's GDP forecast for the current financial year to 4.7% from its April projection of 6.1%. The Planning Commission estimates that the current account deficit for 2013-14 will be around 2.5% of the GDP. Looking at the news in the energy sector, Power Grid Corp, Sterlite Technologies arm Sterlite Grid, and Invensa are among the 7 bidders to set up a transmission system for evacuation of power from Torrent Power's 1200 megawatt DGEN generation project. Looking at the retail sector, Tesco has moved a step closer to entering the Indian retail market with Tata Group, its partner in India, launching a neighborhood convenience store format modeled on the Tesco Express. Reliance Industries' new discoveries in the KG-D6 block could see its gas output rise by almost 35% in the next financial year. But RIL is not keen on developing the discoveries until there is clarity on the project, the price. Looking at the results, Mindtree beat analysts' expectation on sales and profit in the second quarter, with revenues growing at 5.4% sequentially in dollar terms, aided by demand revival in the US. Hero MotoCorp is set to post its highest ever sales of 580,000 units in October. Looking at TCS, on the back of another robust volume growth of 7.3% and favorable currency movement, the company posted a 23.9% sequential rise in consolidated net profit from July to September. The US indices ended up on Wednesday after the Senate announced a budget deal to end the partial government shutdown. The key Asian indices were up as both the houses of the US government have voted in favor to a deal to end the partial government shutdown and raise the debt ceiling. The Indian indices are seen opening up, tracking gains in the overseas market as lawmakers in the US have approved a deal to raise the debt limit and end the partial government shutdown.